good morning, good morning. So I'm very excited. This is part one of a part three series of fountain opening day. So today I'm going to be opening up my fountains here on my property. So let's start with this first one. I usually like to open this one first, and then from there we'll move on to the other fountains on the property. Let's get to it. Water in here first. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to knock out the plug in the bottom of it. I'm going to give it a good washing down. How I do this fountain will be a little bit different than how I do the one in the back, because this fountain basically is planted up already. So I will be using a little bit of bleach to get the debris off, but not a lot of bleach, because I have to keep in mind that I have plants up underneath. Anytime you have a fountain that's been sitting there, you might have to go back in the next season and kind of level things out. If you see here, I don't know how well it'll show up because it's kind of bright, but it's off. So I'm going to finish filling up this fountain here. Takes quite a bit of time. Thank you guys for watching part one of fountain opening day. And as always, I'll be showing you pictures later.